Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Paris Day, guys. It is tomorrow is the opening ceremony and I'm so excited for Jamaica to give what I believe will be a history-making medal haul at this Paris 2024 Olympic Games. And one of the athletes that I believe are in question that will be a part of this conversation when it comes to medals is none other than Rasheed Broadbell. He did a very interesting interview on Trackies. When me tell you, say, me get a good vibe and a good energy. I'm excited. I'm happy. Cause me know, say, we athlete them ready, set, and I go. Trackies, me tell you, say, we're going to mash down round Paris. Now, take a listen to what Rasheed Broadbell had to say, and then I'm going to get back with the rest of my commentary.
Feeling good. As you can see, I'm not with any tapes right now, so no niggles right now. My body is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Feeling powerful, feeling explosive, feeling light and quick, of course. So, yeah, I'm feeling really great today. Can't really take because not in a real. I wasn't going real maxed out, but I was say about today about 80% of where my full potential is, because still taking precautions, but I'm feeling really healthy and really good right now. Today I was working on the start execution because the start has not really been how I wanted it to be, but that I feel like being that I had the niggles, so I didn't get to be more explosive how I wanted to be this season. But given that I feel like it's been coming together now, I feel like my start is really good as we looking and measuring the times. So I feel like today was mostly about working on the start and being technical in between. Okay, so for the beginning of the season, I wanted to do the indoors. Did it go how I wanted it to be? I wanted to be more consistent on the circuit. I feel like I started the season really late, but we're here now and the body's doing what it's supposed to be doing. The main objective now is to get through the rounds, make it to the finals, and get on the podium. So I feel like with each round, I tick off on the board. I feel like, as everyone can see at the national trials, I was like about fifth in the race and then right in there. So I feel like it's just a moment that I'm supposed to be here. So I feel like I'll just use this opportunity and make much use of it and just go all out for the win. Yes, most definitely, as I said, like, as you can look back at trials, like, as I said, I was in fifth, I was like, all right, come on, Rasheed, come on, until like I literally went right through the race. Like I've never ran a race like full out, but I feel like that race, given where I was, I feel like I ran straight to the line, and did what I was supposed to do. And reflecting in the back of my mind is like, I'm like, whoa, like I almost not in it to be in it. So as I say, the opportunity that I put myself in to be here, I'm really grateful for it, and I'm going to make most use of every round I get. It will take not being so nervous, even though you cannot not be nervous. But I feel like it's just for me to just go out there. I know my capabilities, so I just feel like my nerves is always my biggest rival when I'm going to race. So given that I'm feeling good now, I'm not so nervous. I'm confident in my body now, and I feel like it's going to be, as I say, a tough one, but I know I'm there, so not much. No, I'm not sure what it's going to be like, but I'm most definitely going to be there because my first one, this is a one in a lifetime experience. Not everyone get to go to the Olympics. I mean, most people dream about it, just like me. I was a young kid dreaming about it. Seeing back in '08, always thinking about '08 when Bolt world record doing this. So it's always that I watch those videos every single day. So to be here now, growing up, seeing that on TV, that specific moment, being on TV, to be here now in the Olympics, going to compete to get a gold medal or even possibly, a season best, and getting a season best or a personal best may be close to the world record. So as I say, I'm just here to just execute 10 barriers and get on the top podium. I've thought about that. I thought about it this week while flying here from Madrid. I was thinking about it and like, it's history. There's two hurdlers from home that win it the last time. So 2016 by Omar, right? And 2021 by Ansel Parchment, which is at home. I mean, like, I want to be part of that. I want to be, one of those guys bringing home a gold medal, back at home, even doing it with personal best would probably be the national record, So I'll just go out there and execute and just do my best and try to bring home that gold medal. For me, everything I do, I want to win. You know, if you look at when I'm racing, like most of my races, like is if not winning, I'm coming second, or I don't like to lose. So like every time like I race or put myself on the track, it's all about winning for me. Even when I lose, I take a lesson. I don't take it as like a loss and total loss and beat myself down. I mean, I get mad at myself because I know execution could have been way different, or but I feel like this year I just trust my body and just trust the process and just endure whatever hardship I'm going through, because I know I'm good, I know I'm great. I've not reached my full potential in where I want to be in athletics, so I feel like I'm on my way. Not saying young now and then you get older, I want to do it now, you know what I mean? So as I go along, I just endure whatever season it is and just try to make the best out of it. I feel like where the spotlight is with the hurdles, I feel like it does what it do for itself already, because I feel like when you do the hurdles, you may never know. It's a barrier race where you can hit a hurdle, you fall over. Just like what happened last year, you don't know, you can never know. Or you get a perfect race and then it's a fast time. You can never know with the hurdles. It's always exciting without, but sprinting itself, like I feel like 100 meters is like something like you can't really put it against anything else. It's just in its own thing, given that what Usain Bolt has done in that area aspect. I feel like it's just for itself where you may never know. Right now, it's on a high again where you don't know what time to expect coming this games. And I feel like for that and both the hurdle is going to be like something you have to just wait and see what happens. I feel like it's going to be really fast. I mean, yeah, you have a lot of young guys that's coming up, and I mean, like, just like how Ansel came in the game and there was people in front of him. It's just like me now, the younger generation looking up to us, doing really well. I mean, like, for about since 2020, as I said, 2016 to now, it has been like up here with hurdles between the USA and Jamaica, and I feel like those two and other people in the mix, yes, but I feel like the rivalry between those is going to go for a long, long time.
All right, so Chuck is there. You heard him. That was Rasheed Broadbell. Now it's very interesting everything that he said to me, because I remember when he was pulling out of those meetings, and a lot of people were saying, "Hey, potentially, could it be that he's not 100%? What's going on?" And I said, "Look here, if I'm a pull out of the media," and I kind of mirrored it with what was going on with Shelly and Fraser Price. I said something that Cook run at the Ronaldo World Cup training where them have a gone in a private, in a secret, something that Cook and them no want the world see. And track is based on what he said here. Something definitely did a Cook, because when he talked about his run at the national championships, and we saw that run vividly, track is where he even said he had to go all out just to get that win, right? No, when you fast forward to now, he's telling you that look here, he's going to go for that gold medal, and he believes that gold medal will be close to the world record, if not the world record. And I'm ready to run that track. He is ready to run that. And look here, me day feet, me waiting feet a long time. Me I call Rasheed Broadbell for the world record. From I laid my eyes on that young man, I said, look here, track is a world record. That me say, that the boy there, that the man there. Well, he's a man now. I said, he has what it takes to shatter the world record. We just have to clean up the technique. We have to clean up the technique. We have to get those things working, trackies. And look here, he has been doing that. He has been doing that and getting faster and faster. Not as fast, not as fast as I would like when it comes to cleaning up the technique, but it's happening nonetheless, because he also pointed out in this video that he's been working on his start. He's definitely been working on his start, and he believes that he's getting it. He's getting the hang of things, so things are much better. So not only is he much faster than when we saw him, at the national championships, but also from an execution perspective, he's also much better over the hurdles, which is again something I've been dying to see when it comes to Rasheed Broadbell, because I said the day he cleans that up is the day we see that world record go. And track is, let me see what he's able to do here, because I don't believe, in this short time span, we're gonna see him the ultimate, hurdler at this particular point. I believe that there's so much untapped, raw talent there for Rasheed Broadbell. So if him can run world record right now, track is at Rona Paris in that Emende 110-meter hurdles, then child, the future for Rasheed Broadbell, I'm absolutely here for it and thrilled. Now, he also did mention that, his trouble area over the years was clearly his nerves, not something that you can get rid of. You just have to know to control it. And he has successfully learned how to manage that. He feels like he's in a good space this year and he is ready, absolutely ready to go. And he's just grateful, to be a part of the conversation when it comes to Jamaica and the legacy that we've been setting in the men's 110-meter hurdles. He believes it has become a thing of America versus Jamaica. It's pretty much America or Jamaica versus America, in many of the sprint events, and the hurdles has become one of those things as well. When we look at the women, it's the same thing. So he wants to be a part of the conversation when it comes to Omar McLeod walking away with gold in 2016, Hansa Parchment walking away with gold in 2021. He wants to be that man that walks away with gold in 2024. But guess what? He has his countryman, Hansa Parchment also standing in his way. That is the Olympic defending champion. But guess what, Chuckies? I'm here for it. I'm here for the Jamaicans going 1-2 in the men's 110-meter hurdles. Now, I know some of you Americans are going to go, nobody's stopping America. America is going to clean sweep, yada, yada, yada. Well, I'm going to go and watch and see. Go and watch and see when Jamaica turn up in a Paris, and when everything go down. I don't want to hear anybody run back here saying, "Oh, ooh, nothing." Anyway, guys, let me know the thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.